Have you had an old article that you wrote a long time ago that's outdated, but you don't have the time to research and get all the new information to update it? This is where the Blog Booster comes in. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Blog Booster to update outdated blog posts. So let's begin. From the dashboard on a new project, you can click right here, or you can click Blog Booster from the Writing Assistance page. Now that we're on the Blog Booster page, I'm going to enter the URL of the blog post that's outdated, the keyword. This is my blog post URL. Now I'm going to click on Improve My Post. Now the Blog Booster is processing and analyzing my blog post and doing research and gathering all the information for me to update this old outdated blog post. All right, so now that the Blog Booster has finished analyzing my article and doing this research on the top articles, it's giving me all the information I need to improve my blog post. The first thing is the content gap. This is basically all the things that I'm missing that I need to add to the article. So this is the gaps. Down here is fact-checking information on the things that may be incorrect that I need to change. And down here are the things that I need to add. And down here is information that may be outdated or not relevant that I should remove from the article. Down here is LSI keywords, written sentences that I can add in my article. And down here is additional SEO recommendations and all the sources that it used to provide me all this information. We have a special promotion going on. If you sign up annually for our Grow and Pro plan, you can get 25% off for life. That's for our Grow and Pro plan. If you sign up annually, you'll get 25% off for life. Use promo code LTD25. That's promo code LTD25. If you have any questions, contact us at support@bramework.com. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest features and tools that will help you elevate your content creation and grow your brand online.